How's it going? Today, what I want to talk to you about is vegetables, but specifically a tip for how to keep some vegetables fresh longer. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I thought that I would be talking about lettuce and cabbage, which I have a lot more frequently than I have Belgian endive and celery, but this happens to be what I have, and they both are just perfect for demonstrating it. But you could do the same thing with any kind of cabbage or bok choy or anything where all the leaves come together to one stem, you know, where it's just cut off in one place like that. And because both of these are still living plants. If you were a good horticulturalist, you could root these and you'd have a living plant. And you know, I mean, your fruits and vegetables, like, I mean, these cells are alive, you know? I mean, somebody with, you know, who's good at this stuff could extract cells and grow out a plant, right? So these are alive. Why that's important is, let me say, for example, you have this Belgian endive and you really only want to use half of it. And so if you go ahead and cut it in half like this and put one half in the refrigerator, it's going to get brown and old and not look very good pretty fast. On the other hand, I can take it and I am cut off the end, and now you can see it is nice, and this is what I cut off, and now it's nice and fresh. And so then I can just take these leaves that aren't attached anymore, and you can, wow, you can really see the latex. It's lettuce family, so it has that crazy white, I don't think you can, yeah, you can't see it, but it's like really, it's white. Anyway, okay, so then what I'll do, so I'll use these leaves tonight, and then this, and I mean, I'm gonna do this also with the celery and the other Belgian endive. Then I'll stick them in a bowl of water and let them get a drink. And I'll probably, it's not the kind of thing I would actually set a timer for, but after a while, probably somewhere between 20 minutes and 2 hours, somewhere in there, I'll take it out and put it back in the refrigerator. And so, and look, this is just, you know, nice and fresh and clean, and that will store a lot longer than if I had just cut it. So I hope that this is helpful for you and that it encourages you to buy more vegetables, because I know a lot of times people say they don't want to buy vegetables because when they do, they go bad. So here's a trick where you can, you know, you can get your, I'm gonna cut the celery because, like, all right, so here is how it looks right now, and it's got that much celery on it. And in this case, I'm actually gonna do just a pretty thin slice, and I'm not even going to cut to the point where any leaves come off, because we had been pulling them off, you know, so you can pull them off and then you have some extra stem that you can cut without cutting any leaves. So that means, like, I don't even have to use any celery tonight. I can just refresh it along with the Belgian endive that I am going to eat. So, all right, now I'm really gonna stop. I hope that's helpful.